Hey everyone, it's Erica, and I just wanted to show you real quick how to have your students make a rubber band chain, especially if they're doing like the Lab Extreme Bungee, where they have to extend an egg from their rubber band chain. So they are going to be asked to make a chain out of 2 rubber bands, 4 rubber bands, and then they are going to have to hypothesize and come up with what their final chain is going to be. So you want to start out with rubber bands that are the same width and the same length. That way everybody has that same constant in their lab. And how you want to have the students make their chain is you want to tell them one is going to stay an O like this. This one we're going to just bend it kind of like a C, like that. Okay, so we have the O and the C. And so when we put this in, we wrap that around the O. We're going to tuck the bottom right into the top just like that, pull, and we made a chain. Okay, very easy. So now when they have 2, we want to add a new piece on. Now this piece is going to be the O, and our new rubber band is going to be the C. So again, we put the bottom of the C in there. Here's our C. You can see I'm bending it. Tuck the bottom through, just like that, and pull. Okay, so now I made a chain. I'll do that one more time for you, so that way we make sure we have the chain, and you want to try to make sure it stays flipped so it's a nice straight chain. Last time, this one is the O. We're going to take this top one, wrap it through like a C, just like this. Grab that piece right there and pull through. Now I have a nice long rubber band chain, and all the students are doing it the same way. Thank you.